SparkleSpace lovers, mambo vipi? Welcome. This is our twin standalone, guys. I think you have seen the other one, so we have two standalone here for rent. The other one is over there. So we are looking for serious client who can take both house. Thing look the same. Then we have partition over there. So if you are taking yourself, like you and your partner, or you and for your, sometimes company like to take the house for their workers, which is you can use both. And then we have the other interest over there. You want to take with your friend, you can share the other one, but we have separate gates. I will show you guys. As you know, we do have nice houses. This house is so beautiful, guys. Very beautiful, but we don't have pool, but we have a nice garden. See the garden, we have beautiful garden. This house is so beautiful, guys. I want you guys to come with me inside. Come. $4,500 a month. We are talking about USD here, guys. This house is worth it. You remember I told you about there too, there and here. So if you are going to take both, and room for negotiation, $4,500 a month, then you can negotiate that if you are taking both, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your friend to subscribe. SMY SparkleSpace, guys. As you know, hatu boy, hatu poi. And look at the other house, guys. Seriously, look at the other house. It's worth it. Even the price doesn't even matter this time. If you see that house, see this house, the beauty, garden, everything. Guys, $4,500 USD per one house. Subscribe, and also make sure you call us 0744-272727, guys, as well as 0769-031616. Na nani huyu? Mwenye majumba makali. Ciao. And designer, guys. Sandra Rose anakushonea